In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma wireframe kits. By the end, you'll know how to find a solid kit. Set up your canvas, pull in components, keep everything flexible with auto layout, and swap placeholders for clean wireframe graphics so you can move fast without sacrificing clarity. Start by heading to the Figma community. In the search bar, type wireframe kit. You'll see a range of options, from lightweight starter sets to comprehensive libraries with components, patterns, and example screens. If you prefer an add-on workflow, you can also explore plugins that insert wireframe elements directly. When you find a kit that fits your style, click Open in Figma. This brings a copy into your workspace so you can use it without editing the original file. Create a new design file to keep your project organized, then press F to select a frame. Choose a preset like desktop or mobile to match your target platform. Starting with the right frame size helps the wireframe scale properly later and gives you a clear boundary for layout decisions. Next, open the kit and navigate to the Assets panel. From there, drag components into your design frame or simply copy and paste elements from the kit file. Working with components helps you stay consistent and makes global updates easier if the kit includes variants or styles. Try to keep components as instances rather than detaching them, so you can benefit from updates and maintain structure. As you arrange elements, use auto layout to make your wireframe responsive and easy to iterate on. Select a group of items and apply auto layout to control direction, spacing, and padding. This keeps buttons, cards, and sections neatly aligned and prevents you from nudging elements pixel by pixel. Set items to hug contents for tight fits, or fill container for flexible elements that expand with the frame. When you resize a frame, auto layout preserves relationships, so your design remains tidy. Add text by pressing T and placing labels where they add clarity titles. Section headings or short descriptions. Keep copy concise to match wireframing's purpose, structure, and flow over visual polish. Consistent font sizing and simple styles will make your hierarchy clear at a glance. Finally, replace any image placeholders with wireframe-friendly graphics. Swap in simplified icons, neutral shapes, or low-fidelity thumbnails that suggest content without distracting detail. Keep proportions consistent and align images with surrounding text using auto layout for a balanced layout. That's it. Thanks for watching.